I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're having trouble with payments not going through on Shopify, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check payment gateway settings. Make sure your payment gateway settings are correctly configured. Go to Settings, then Payments, and verify that your gateway is enabled and set up properly. Step 2. Verify account status. Ensure that your payment processor account is in good standing. Look into your payment processor account to check for any alerts or issues that might be affecting transactions. Step 3. Review currency settings. Confirm that your store's currency matches the currency supported by your payment gateway. Go to Settings, then General, and check the currency settings. Step 4. Test with a different payment method. Try making a purchase using a different payment method to see if the issue persists. This can help identify if the problem is specific to one payment option. Note, if you're using a credit card, ensure that the card has not expired or reached its limit. Step 5. Contact support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. I hope these steps help you get your payments back on track. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.